Okay, so now we're going to be looking at the multiplication of a vector by a scalar. And what is a scalar? Well, a scalar is just a constant number. It's not an other vector. So multiplication of a vector v by a scalar k, we're going to call this constant number k. Well, what's going to happen? Well, the direction of k multiplied by v is the same as that of vector v. So it does not change the direction. So the resulting vector will have the same direction. Its orientation is the same as v if k is greater than 0. So if k is positive, it's the same orientation as v. But if k is negative, it's going to be the opposite of v. So we got to be careful, but it does make sense with the previous video where we saw the opposite of a vector, negative v. So it does make sense. Its length is equal to the absolute value of k multiplied by the length of v. So we write length of the resulting vector is absolute value of k multiplied by length of v. So that's how we calculate the length of the resulting vector. Here's some examples. So we start with a vector v. We can take vector v and multiply vector v by 2. If we multiply vector v by 2, has the same direction, same orientation, but double the length. So this is 2 multiplied by the length of v as the length from here to here. So this is double the length of v. That's why we write k multiplied by length of v. This one is it's not 2. It's negative 3 multiplied by v. Negative 3 multiplied by v is 3 times the length of v, and it's an opposite orientation. That's why we have the arrow in the other direction. So we have the opposite orientation. The arrow is here instead of here, and this is 3 times the length of the original vector. So this is 3 times the length and opposite orientation. We can also multiply v by 0. If we multiply v by 0, we get the null vector. So it's just a dot, just a point. So it's the null vector if you multiply by 0. So that's it. See you in the next video.